you're gonna apply right a little bit above of the yellow. And this is a great way for a lot of beginner to do ombre without, you know, getting really like troubleshootings of ombre. And keep your brush like a flat and use a belly. It will help you blend. Even this one going without like the ombre, you can do it on the top like of whole entire ombre. Now you can do it like encapsulating, however you like it or your clients like it. This, I just want to share with you another option. I'm gonna do the second beads, you're gonna do it closer to the cuticles. So then that way you can get your cuticle perfect without have to worry about ombre part. So the first beads I usually using it to blending the ombre. Great. I'm gonna cap it with the clear. Mine was great, spent it, sewing beautiful. Hey Kushio, how are you? Hey Cece, that's why I said option, you can do it without that's why I still have another butterflies underneath. You can do it without the ombre, or you can do it with the ombre. It's kind of fun part of it to doing this ombre, like it's kind of hidden because it's an ombre. But you can absolutely doing it without the ombre at all. You do it right on the top, just clear coat. So I'm using clear to cap my ombre. Great. I can't wait to see it when we finish. All right, so let's move on to the next nails. I'm gonna let this one set and move on to the next nails. Oh, CC said you will cover that. Okay, what next one is the pink one? First beads, I am going to use it right above the pink colors and blend it down. I know CC, like, you covered all the butterfly, but I still have some part of her like hidden. That's why I did like few more butterflies on and tie the nails so that we can really enjoying it too. This is the newest collection. I really like it. Even you doing it on solid colors. Hey Zoe, how are you? And the second beads I'm gonna do to perfect them. I'm doing a clear coat. Hey Mars, hello. Questions, what type of monomer do you using? Hey Smart, I'm using slow set monomers. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hey Laurie, I promise it's gonna be really super simple, easy. Just play the beads there and tilt the nails down just a little bit. When it's still in like setting, you can guide this powder toward to the center and using the belly of your brush to like really guide your powder. Cut it right there. Great. Hey Zoe, thank you so much. Going to the third nails. Look, even if you're doing a solid colors for your clients and you put your butterfly sticker on, it's really stunning. You're gonna do just a little bit above of your blue wherever you end with your blue bead and blend it down. And it's up to you if you want to be like, usually for the ratio of doing ombre, if you do half and half, like half nude and half color, so it looks the most like balance. But everybody have a different like preference, you know, like the same with the French. Sometimes clients like a really deep smile like French. Sometimes the clients want is like, so I keep hitting it. Second bead. And then the second bead, you're gonna perfect your cuticles. Zoe, thanks so much. I love your beautiful work as well, babe. I learned so much from all of you, and it's such an inspiration when all of you are. Let me clean that one and make it more like obviously for this butterflies, because I want to see these butterflies more. This will show through after we finish with the top coat. And I'm going to do some cute crystal on this. Yeah. Now we cap it with clear. It's important to cap it because when you buff and you file, you don't want them to accidentally get into your ombre, or if you might like accidentally find a little bit over too much or heavy-handed, then it might take away from your ombre. So hey, yes, Cece, that's a great idea. Keep putting, oh, that's a good idea too. It's actually gonna be great. You can put more butterflies on the top. Do you want to see crystal placement, or you want to see more butterflies on the top? Hey, I think is more butterflies on the top is gonna be so cute. There you go. More butterflies on the top. Last nails. First bead right above of your orange colors. And just using the belly of your brush. Hey Jessie, Crystal Blink. Hello Raquel, how are you? Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. For all of you just tuning in, I did the base colors. Both, Laurie. More sticker and crystal, right? I like that ideas. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. It'd be awesome if you can share with some of friends. If your friends want to learn some cool techniques, different contents every day to support, because during this time is no one can able to make it to a training class, or somehow some reason you can go. It's just a free tutorial for all of you. We love it. Really appreciate every single of you. There's something that we give back to ours, like beauty community, especially in the nail community. So you all can learn so many different tutorials from us. It's free from our Facebooks and YouTube, and also on IGTV as well. Great. So make sure you get the cuticle. The second beat, I'm always doing it to perfect the cuticle without have to worry about my ombre part, because a lot of you, if you have like a troubleshooting, like the part of your ombre, it doesn't looks fading like gradually like the way you expecting it. You feel like it's just like too separate of the two colors. This brush I'm using, I'm so pleased with this. Just pick up my beads really easy. You can see that I didn't have any of troubleshooting with my bead. And this brush is really cool. It just had me doing like a set in like less than an hour, like for solid colors. I pick up the bead and it's go right in. There's something, that one. Something on this. All right, I think got everything take care. So now let's shaping on all the nails. Let it set.